Hi, I'm Dr. Neil Pai. If you've been feeling drained, foggy, or just not functioning at full speed, the issue might be deeper than you think. It could be your mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside your cells that create the energy your body runs on. When mitochondria get damaged from stress, toxins, aging, or poor diet, they stop producing energy efficiently. This is called mitochondrial dysfunction, and it can lead to chronic fatigue, sluggish metabolism, brain fog, and slower healing. If your body can't produce energy at the cellular level, no amount of coffee will fix it. The good news? We can repair damaged mitochondria using specific light frequencies like red and near infrared light. This therapy stimulates your cells, improves oxygen flow, reduces inflammation, and helps your mitochondria function properly again. It's safe, non-invasive, and supported by decades of clinical research. At Renew Light Systems, we combine true weight solutions with a personalized metabolic protocol to help you get your energy back naturally. We don't just treat symptoms. We support your body at the root level, helping you restore energy, improve your health, and finally feel like yourself again. Ready to recharge your body from the inside out? Visit RenewLightSystems.com today to learn how our system helps you heal, cell by cell. And if you're a provider looking to bring this powerful technology to your patients, we'd love to show you how.